Hey guys, I'm Sonia and I create lifestyle and beauty content. I'm sure many of us have been sporting similar hairstyles, a messy bun, a founding father ponytail, the one that hangs down low. Guilty! Today I'm going to show you tons of different hairstyles that you can try out while you are learning online, working online, or maybe even working on a side hustle. I've got you covered, but before we get started, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already joined my family, and let's get started. First up, I want to give a huge thank you to Herbal Essence for sponsoring today's video and partnering with me again. Thank you so much for supporting my channel. I'm super excited to be sharing a handful of their new products as I walk you through my current wash routine. So let's head to the shower. Nothing is better than freshly washed hair, and I'm going to be using the sulfate-free potent aloe and hemp collection from Herbal Essences, and this is formulated to control frizz while adding moisture to your hair. First product is going to be Shampoo, Herbal Essences sustainably harvested special potent aloe, which is certified by plant experts at the Royal Botanic Gardens Kew. Also, their shampoos are the first mass drugstore shampoos to meet the very strict clean beauty standards of the Environmental Working Group. Next up, I'm going to be wringing out my hair, making sure that I get as much water out as possible, and then I'm going to be going in with the conditioner. I naturally have oily roots, so I'm going to skip my roots and concentrate on the ends. I also love the fact that this collection is sulfate-free, paraben-free, and has even been certified by PETA as a cruelty-free collection. Now, if you have really dry hair because of hot tools or maybe even coloring your hair often like I do, I recommend this mask. It's formulated with argan oil and it delivers intense damage repair to replenish and restore smoothness and shine. And the last product that I'm going to be featuring in today's video would have to be their hydrating hair oil mist. This actually smooths, detangles, and helps to fight frizz. You need to shake it up a bit before using it and can be sprayed onto wet or dry hair. And if you're interested in trying any of today's products, I'll make sure to leave a list of everything I used in the description box down below along with a helpful shopping link. I am sectioning my hair because we're going to jump right into the first style, which is a blowout. Now, instead of using a blow dryer and a round brush, this tool is actually a combination of both. Now, when you section your hair, you're going to get a nice even blow dry, or you can actually use it as a brush and blow dry at the same time. So you just comb your hair, or you can actually roll it like I'm doing here, and it gives you a turned in flipped look. So much volume and bounce, an easy, beautiful blowout at home. Next up, I'm going to start this style by parting my hair down the center. I'm going to take the top sections of my hair using my boar bristle brush, making sure that I have smooth tops, and tie them securely with some elastic ties that are the same color of my hair, or you can have fun and use different colors, or even add a section or two more than I'm showing you here today. I'm going to repeat the process on the other side of my head, making sure that everything is smooth, my elastic ties are nice and tight, and your look is complete. A very easy, trendy 90s hairstyle. Next, I'm starting with the side part, sectioning off my front bangs. Then I'm taking the top half of my hair and pulling it back using my boar bristle brush and smoothing out all of the lumps and bumps. I'm going to be using an elastic tie to make sure that my hair stays nice, tight, and high. You can definitely add some products into any of these hair routines like gel, mousse, or hairspray to help to cure any flyaways or control frizz. Next, I'm going to sweep over my bangs, making sure they're nice and smooth, securing with a bobby pin or two, and that's the final look. For our next look, I'm going to be sectioning off the top half of my hair using a 1 to 1.5 inch clipless curling iron. I just point my wand down, wrap around the barrel a few times, then release after 20 to 30 seconds depending on how coarse or how thin your hair is. Then you are going to carefully repeat this process all over your head and finish off your style with some light hairspray. Next up is a style that I have gotten so many requests about, would have to be my space buns. You're going to start by parting your hair down the middle, creating two high, tight ponytails at the top of your head or at the crown of your head, and securing with elastic ties, hair bands, or even some scrunchies. And I know creating some thick full buns can be pretty tricky when you have short hair, but I'm going to show you a fun little trick that you can do without teasing your hair, causing unwanted, unnecessary damage. As I'm repeating this process on the other side of my head, make sure you guys leave me a comment down below letting me know what your favorite hairstyle is so far. This is my little hack. I hold my hair up with one hand and rake my hair down with the other. I'm going to repeat that on the other side just in case you missed it. You just kind of rake it down. So it's a light, gentle teasing, if you will. Then you're going to wrap your pony around the base. Start to maneuver pieces down. And you secure with a bobby pin or two, or maybe 3, 4, or 5, depending on how thick your hair is. And as you can see, it quickly forms little buns. I have short hair in the back, so some of these pieces need to be controlled a little better. And I continue on the other side, again, wrapping around the base, then pinning down with a handful of bobby pins. You can make this as neat or messy as you want. If you like the little hairs popping up at the top, or you want them to do perfect little buns, you can definitely play with more hair tools or products, but I love the way that this came out. Now, this video would not be complete if I did not have at least one hairstyle that required some braids. I have tons of tutorials on my channel if you guys want to check those out to learn how to do many types of different braids, like the waterfall braids, fishtail braids, Dutch braids like I'm doing here today. Really easy to follow as well, so check those out. I'm just going to be braiding my hair on one side, making sure that I keep my hair really nice and tight, going all the way to the ends and securing them with an elastic band. Then again on the other side, if only if it was that easy, right? Now to finish off this look, I'm going to actually flip them onto each other in the back and securing with a few bobby pins. Now this can be tricky depending on how short your hair is, but can be super cute. You can also try this if you have longer hair as well. Stretch out those braids to make it a little bit fuller, and you've got yourself a really pretty braided crown hairstyle. And since I have longer bangs, I decided to take them out to play as well. Next step is really easy and classic. You just part down the middle or to the side depending on where you like your part. You might need a flat iron depending on the texture of your hair. I just secured both sides of my hair above my ears with a bobby pin, and that is one look. Or you can take all of your hair to the back, making sure everything is nice and smooth. I'm going to create a small low ponytail that I'm going to turn into a bun. I'm taking a second elastic tie, going over, making a loop, tucking in any of the loose ends through the loop that we created, and secure down with a few bobby pins. This style can be worn with jeans and a t-shirt, or if you curl your bangs in the front, even an evening gown. And last but not least, I'm going to be sectioning off my hair on the top, and using one of my favorite hot tools at the moment would have to be this 3-barrel waver. You guys have seen it so much on my Instagram. I think I might even have a full tutorial here on YouTube using this tool, so if you guys are interested, I'll make sure to leave some helpful video links in the description box down below as well. But this tool is so easy to use. I like to start a couple of inches from the roots. As you press down on your hair, you're going to create these nice grooves or waves. When you move your barrel down, you just make sure that the top barrel falls into the last groove that you've made, and you continue this process all the way down the shaft. Really easy, fail-proof waves that you can create on your own in minutes, and that's the final look. And that's it for this video. Once again, thank you so much to Herbal Essence for sponsoring today's video. Don't forget to check out the description box down below for helpful shopping links and a list of everything you've seen in today's video. And as always, don't forget to like, share, and also subscribe to my channel if you have not already, and I'll see you guys in the next one.